After taking tons of notes on stored energy, I made a design proposal for a mousetrap car. My goal was to make a mousetrap car that traveled 5 meters in 3 seconds. My first iteration was made of a mousetrap glued onto a piece of balsa wood and a slim frame made of sticks and straws. I glued those two together, added dowels and wheels, and tested it for the first time. It didn't move for the first few seconds, then spun out of control. I concluded that this was due to the length of the lever. Thus, I had to get more supplies to lengthen my car. It still spun out. I then determined that my back wheels were too small, so I used gigantic CDs. It didn't spin out, but it barely creeped along, taking 7.4 seconds to travel 5 meters. I then used the blue wheels, which were smaller than the CDs. I first tried attaching them with tape, which did not work. I then attached them with hot glue, and it traveled the best of all my trials at 5.1 seconds when it hit the measuring tape and 5.0 seconds when it didn't. I realized that I could adjust the length of my lever by moving the zip tie around, so I played around with different lengths and found that the shorter lever coasted longer and faster. My final design, which has the shorter lever on the right, didn't go 5 meters, but it reached its maximum speed, which was higher than my previous designs, faster. In summary, this entire project was based around getting from the design on the left to the one on the right. To do that, I had to lengthen the lever, use bigger wheels, use smaller wheels, then shorten the lever. It took a lot of time to find the happy medium in all this designing, but my car went far, both literally and figuratively. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.